Badger! Badger! Tony? Welcome to another special ops mission starring Badger and Tony. What are we doing today, Tony? Okay. Badger, come in. What are we doing today? Well, all I know is you guys gotta be careful. There could be a storm coming. They're strategically getting around so to avoid the storm. Sit. Badger, the storm's coming. Oh no, Tony, you too. There we go. Oh, Tony, Badger, come in. You're in a snowdrift 10 miles high. You be careful, there's a storm coming. Oh, Badger, run! Badger? Where are you going? Here comes Tony. Tony, come in. Badger's stranded. Oh, come on, Badger. She's got it. Back to the special operation that's underway.